In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the camshaft position sensor on your Subaru Impreza. There's two of them located on the vehicle, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side, both located at the top of the engine. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove the battery negative terminal, put that off to the side, remove the connector off the cam sensor, and using a 10mm socket, remove the bolt. Pull the sensor straight up and remove it from the car. Install the camshaft position sensor. Install your 10mm bolt. Torque this bolt to 4.7 foot-pounds. Install the connector. Install your negative battery cable. And tighten it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.